If I were to ask you, what are some of your favorite things about Sunday? What would you tell me? Or what if I were to ask you, what are some of the favorite things about this time of year? What would you tell me? Go ahead, think of some of the things that you would tell me. So you may be wondering, why am I asking you that? Especially since I can't hear you talking back to me. The reason why I want you to answer those two questions is because it gets your mind off of things, potentially stressful things or negative things, and it gets you into a different state of mind. It gets you into a state of mind of positivity. You could also ask yourself things. This is a simple exercise that while I'm asking you as a way to get you started, you can ask these things of yourself and then list verbally or write down the answers. You could ask yourself something like, what am I thankful for in terms of how the day went or what happened today? So this is a question you could ask yourself at the end of the day or at the end of the work day. As you're heading home or before you head home, you could say to yourself or ask yourself, what am I glad for? What did I enjoy about work today? And I tell you, even if you come up with only one thing, you're already a winner. You already won that battle, because the point is to make sure to get your mind into a more positive state of mind, whether it's strictly positive things or the feeling of gratitude or being thankful. All of those are so good and so important in terms of combating stress and reducing stress in your life. It's those little distractions, they're interruptions throughout the day. So this is great if you can do this multiple times a day. But even if you just do it once a day, you're up for a good start. But they're so good to interrupt a potentially otherwise stressful way of being or negative thoughts, that I highly encourage you to do these kinds of little exercises with yourself. And you can do this with your spouse, you can do this with your kids, you can do this with your friend, where you ask each other and then tell each other. So this is so easy. I really want you to do this. It'll help you to switch the thinking and the feelings and the focus. It's a win-win. So I highly encourage you to do this on a regular basis.